In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page. This is useful if you want to enable Instagram to Facebook cross posting, grow your audience, and manage both platforms together. So, first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping the bottom right icon. Now tap Edit Profile, but in my mobile phone, it will already show. I'll tell you all the steps one by one. Here, make sure your account is a professional account. If not, tap Switch to Professional Account. This is required to connect with Facebook pages. Choose either Creator or Business, then complete the setup. Once done, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile again. Scroll down and look for Page, Connect, or Create. Tap on it, then choose Continue. Now log into Facebook and select the Facebook page you want to connect. Tap Connect and follow the confirmation steps. After that, go to Instagram settings, scroll to cross posting, and turn it on. But in my mobile, it does not show. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now successfully connected to your Facebook page. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more Instagram growth tips, Facebook linking guides, and social media tutorials.